Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, part 2 of Bay County today. And we're riding around again as I did in the previous video, showing y'all the different things, stores, places that's been remodeled, that's available in the Bay County area. And I'm not going to explore every nook and cranny, but I'm just give y'all a brief of the main areas in Bay County, Florida. And I'm gonna jump around a little bit. It's gonna be different days in the video, different times, but sit back and relax and enjoy the ride. Be gracious, everyone. Here's the first modern school in Bay County, Florida, and this video was dated August 27th, 2019, and it's currently on 7th Street in Panama City, Florida. Hello, y'all. We're doing it again. We're doing the ride along. We're in Cedar Grove / Callaway, heading towards Callaway area in Bay County. And US 98 eastbound. Doing that thing I like doing best. I like riding, driving, all around it to different places. So enjoy. US 98 and just passing 12th Street. For those of you that like to follow along. There's another place to your right. Hopefully you can see that. Hopefully it's not too bouncy. It's the tripod. It's not that stable, but the mount is not that stable, but on 98, if you make that right that's coming up on back, that'll take you to historic St. Andrews in Panama City, Florida. To your right, once stood grocery outlet. Where the old grocery outlet was in Panama City. This is what it looks like now. Everybody, today's day is the 28th, and this is historic St. Andrews. We're passing the printing press. We're working on that gas station. The new flooring depot of Panama City that used to be Ashley Furniture, Ashley Home Furnishing, but they moved to a different location closer to the Panama City Mall. There's a beauty shop there. Can't see the name on it. You got Spellbound Modern Magic Shop. Either open or coming soon. Can't tell. John's Crazy Deals. Home Furnishing. I can't say that. Furniture. We'll say that word instead. County Library. Been open for business. Coming up on that church. I know there's many videos out there how bad that church was to your right. But now look at it if you can see it. That's what it looks like currently. It came a mighty long way. That church got damaged bad at Central Baptist Church in Lynn Haven, Florida. And that building hasn't recovered at all. Sandy's Farm and Garden. So we're still on 7th State Road 77 and 26th Street in Lynn Haven, Florida. So Chambers does have a storage facility, so you can store your stuff there, I guess. There's that apartment complex. Don't know the name. We don't have to worry about fighting for Popeye's chicken sandwich at that place because it still hasn't opened, but hopefully coming soon. This church in Lynn Haven, and that's what it looks like currently as well. Baptist Church, First Baptist Church of Lynn Haven. open up the building yet, but they have been working outside in semi-trailers with like different furniture pieces inside. Look to your right, there's a building. I guess the Easy Lane has been looking like that for a long time, since after the storm. Look at the apartment buildings all the way over there to your right. Still got damaged roofs and things like that. The other ones in front of it looks nicer. Here once stood El Rancho at the corner of 23rd Street and Jinx Avenue, which was a Mexican restaurant in Panama City, Florida. So now that's what it looks like right here. And today's date, August 30th. Hello, today's another day. Today is September the 2nd, and we're passing Bay High School, home of the Tornadoes. And we're doing another riding video, as usual. Here's Stuffy's Cafe. They're open as well. Got a nice little old time theme to it. Oh yeah. Also, this is Harrison Avenue that I'm riding on right currently. Harrison and 14th Street in Panama City, Florida. Here, we're on 23rd Street and passing Stanford Road. And that empty shell that you see coming up to your right, that used to be a bank. And this is in Panama City, Florida. So I'm guessing that it got damaged so bad that they had to gut the whole building out. Don't know when they're going to finish or complete construction, but just in case you was wondering, it used to be a bank. Can't remember the name. Just one of the movie theaters that didn't open due to being damaged after the storm. And this is on 23rd. Road's the T-Mobile mobile unit now because they're rebuilding that building. I don't know if you can see it, but it's an empty shell. And this is 23rd and Airport Road. They also said they wasn't going to rebuild that car wash, but it looks like some rebuilding is going on. I don't know if y'all can see that, but to your right, that hollowed out building is the old Papa John's on 23rd Street in Panama City, Florida. And today's date is September the 4th, 2019. Alrighty. This out. Today's date is the 4th of September, and the Family Dollar that's on US 98 Business District is being rebuilt. Hallelujah. They're actually rebuilding it. I'm going to see if I can find an old picture of it. Here is the marina in Millville, Florida on US 98, and pictures coming up. You're going to see what it used to look like back in October in 2018. Alrighty, welcome back everybody. This is another day, September the 4th, and what you're looking at now, this is where I used to go Goodwill to get those deals. You can buy stuff by the pound here, or you used to can buy stuff by the pound. And this is a plaza in Springfield, Florida, on East US 98 Business District in Springfield, Florida. And that's what it looks like now, as of September the 4th, 2019. All I can say is wow. Wow, that's all I can say right now. Wow. Now we're on State Road 22 in Springfield, Florida, and we're just riding around showing y'all the scenery for those who can't make it up here in Bay County, Florida. Let me do the driving for now. But do come if you like. Today is another day. Today is September the 11th, and we're on Martin Luther King Boulevard in Panama City, Florida. We're doing a little bit more riding around so y'all can see. Hopefully y'all can kind of see that. We're in kind of direct sunlight. It's about the Macedonian Missionary Baptist Church. Alrighty, yep, today's another day, September 11th. This is the back where US 98 Business District in Panama City, Florida. That's the Mission to your right, where that car is coming from. Bay County Courthouse in front. That used to be a substation for Panama City PD. Back to another day, September the 14th, and I'm showing y'all what Panama City looked like. Look, check that out, right across the street from the mall on 77th Street. They're building it up, so maybe they're gonna close a different angle. We're on 23rd Street. I'm showing y'all what they're building across the street from the mall. Some say it may be a Burlington coat factory. That'd be cool. Hopefully they'll bring new stores in the area. Today, August 31st, 2019. Y'all can see that. It's on the Panama City Lynn Haven line. Hopefully y'all can see that. This Bay Point, you got Chipotle, you got Aspendental in this little plaza. This is called Bay Point in Panama City, Florida, just off of 23rd Street. Baskin Robbins, Cracker Barrel, Discount Tire, sorry for the back to another video. Today's date is the 17th of September, and we're in Panama City, Florida, just off of 15th Street or US 98, and this is what a plaza looked like. I can't remember the name of this plaza, but I'm trying to find the name and put it in the description box. And this is, again, Panama City today. Another section of it. Sorry for the wind noise and the traffic. We're walking around again, getting y'all the up close and personal footage. Don't need any words. This is crazy. Will they ever tear it down, rebuild? I have no clue. Pretty sure they got some of the stores that's located in here, or that was located in here. Pretty sure they got other locations in the city, county. And that was it for this little clip. Today's date is September the 17th, 2019. Plaza off of 15th Street, Panama City, Florida. Today's another day. Today's the 18th, and this used to be the old Kmart building. Turned into a Cube Smart self-storage. There's the Dollar General. That building right there, you see that they're working on right now, that's the O'Reilly building. The other one got completely destroyed. Watching. Be graceful, everybody.